Hi, my name is Marco Rantisi. I'm the chef and owner of Kepos Street Kitchen in Sydney. I'd love to wish you a happy World Egg Day. Today we're going to be doing an open omelette or a style of frittata that does not have any flour in it. It will be made from zucchinis, Sujuk, that's an Armenian style sausage with paprika and spices. It will have some pine nuts, herbs, Labneh to add this beautiful acidity to it. This dish, the hero of it is the eggs. As we are celebrating World Egg Day, it is all about eggs. And eggs is such a versatile ingredient. Now what I want to do with the zucchini is take the zucchinis and grate them. And then I'm going to salt them with a little bit of salt. So this way they can release a little bit of the liquid and our omelette is not going to be too watery. So I have over here around 4 zucchinis. Medium to small size, and I'm leaving the tip so this way it can help me stop while I am grating them. And what I want to do is just add some salt, around 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon, then you can season more if you'd like. Mix them all together. Set them aside for around 10 to 20 minutes till they release, and then we'll squeeze all the excess water out of it. Now that the pan is heating up, I'm just adding 2 tablespoons thereabouts of oil, a light olive oil or just a vegetable oil. I'm adding the Sujuk in. Now cook it on medium heat, don't cook it on overly high heat. As you can see, the Sujuk has crisped up beautifully. I'm putting them in a separate pan. My Sujuk is nice and crisp, and now the next step that I want to do, I just want to strain the zucchini and do the frittata mix over here. So I've got the zucchini, with my hands, just a lot of pressure, getting out all the excess waters out of the zucchini. I know it looks like a lot of zucchini inside your omelette, but it is seriously delicious. I'm cracking 1 egg at a time because I like to see my eggs. It's a very forgiving recipe, so you don't have to actually worry too much. If you put an extra egg or you put less zucchini or a little bit more zucchini. And I'm adding to this one Labneh. If you don't have any Labneh, access to Labneh, you can use as well sour cream. So I've got it all in. And what it does, it just substitutes, instead of adding cream or milk, I'm adding half of my Sujuk. I'm adding some chopped parsley. Now I'm frying this in my leftover oils that I have. We want it hot so this way the omelette can sizzle inside it. Perfect. Putting our omelette inside. Now as you can see around it, you can see all those beautiful paprika and cumin oil that is flavoring the outside of our omelette. We need to get a nice color of the omelette from outside before we actually put it inside the oven. I'm using a pan over here that is a metal handle, or a handle that can actually sit in the oven with temperature without it actually burning. So be careful not to use a pan with a plastic handle so it doesn't melt for you inside the oven. It takes around the 2-minute mark while it is over here. Now it's starting to get a nice light brown color. You don't want to over coloring it. And now it's time to put it in our oven. Now while we're waiting for our omelette to finish baking inside the oven, what I want to do is a salad to go with our omelette. So I'm using the leftover of the Sujuk that we have with all the beautiful oils left over from it. Around the 35 gram of toasted pine nuts, a nice handful of herbs. So over here I used a little bit of mint, a little bit of dill, a little bit of parsley. So you can use whatever herb you have access to. There is no specific herb that you need to actually use. Now, because I used some of the leftover of the oils, I'm not going to add extra oil. I'm juicing a little bit of lemon into it, around the 2 tablespoons or half a small lemon. If you like it more acidic, add more lemon. And then we're gonna dollop some of the labneh as well on top. Now my omelette is ready, it's baked, it's firm from the top. If you like it a bit more cooked, just give it another couple of more minutes. I like when it is still a little bit soft from the center. I'm dolloping on top of it a couple of dollops of my labneh. This is my salad that I've already done. It is very pretty, very simple, and very delicious. Enjoy the dish. I would love to wish you a happy World Egg Day, and thank you.